Good morning, students. Today we will discuss lesson number 6, formatting slides in PowerPoint. Students, in previous class we have used PowerPoint for making presentations. A presentation is a display of information in the form of text, image, animation and sound. People make presentation to express their concepts to the audience. Teachers, professors, students, politicians and sales representatives use PowerPoint to make presentation very often. Presentation. A presentation consists of a number of slides. When a presentation is displayed on the computer screen as a series of slides is called a slideshow. How to start PowerPoint? To start PowerPoint, click on Start button. A drop down menu will be open. You will see there PowerPoint icon and click on that icon. The PowerPoint presentation will be open. Now we will discuss components of PowerPoint 2013 screen. The PowerPoint screen has the following components. Here, number 1, quick access toolbar. Second, file tab. Here, this is placeholder. This is the placeholder. Next, status bar, which is at the bottom of the screen. This is title bar, top of the screen. This is ribbon and this is a slide. This one. This rectangular shape you can see, this is a slide. One by one, we will discuss all the points, all the components of PowerPoint. Number 1 here, file tab. The file tab opens the backstage view with options such as open, save, etc. Second, title bar. The title bar displays the name of the program given by the user. Next, quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar contains the save, undo and redo button. Next, the ribbon. The ribbon displays commands in different categories. Next, status bar. Children, the status bar displays the current slide number, total number of slides in a presentation and zoom slider. Next, placeholder. Placeholders hold the objects of our slide. And last, slide. A slide is a page in the presentation. How to insert text in the slide? Text box command is used to create additional text placeholders on the slide if we need it. To insert a text box, number 1, click on Insert tab. Number 2, click on text box from the text group. Number 3, drag the mouse pointer on the slide where you want to add the text. A text box will appear with a blinking cursor. Step number 4, enter the text as needed. The text box expands automatically to the next line if the entered text is more than the size of the text box. Next is editing text. The text entered in a placeholder or text box can easily be modified. How? Let's see. Click on text placeholder to be modified. The cursor appears. Second, make changes as required and then click outside the placeholder. Next is aligning text. There are 6 text alignment options to align text in the placeholder. The 4 basic alignment options are align left, align right, align center, and justify. The other 2 alignment options are number 1, text direction. This command is used to changes the orientation of the text in the placeholders. It has 4 options: horizontal, rotate all text 90°, rotate all text at 270°, and stacked like A, then B, then C, one after another in a vertical way. The horizontal is the default text direction. And second, align text. This command is used to align the text between top and bottom edges of the placeholder. The options are top, middle, and bottom. Next is how to insert slide. We can insert new slide in a presentation by point number one, click on insert tab on the ribbon, then click on new slide, and step number 3, choose and click on a type of layout for the slide. This insert a new slide. Inserting pictures on a slide. When we insert a new slide, it gets inserted with 6 placeholder icons on it. We can simply click on these placeholders and insert object on the slide. Here you can see the slide. Click to add title. Here we give the title of our slide. Here insert table, then pictures, then online pictures, insert video, insert a smart art graphics, and insert videos. Inserting picture. We can insert our saved pictures on the slide using pictures placeholder. How? Let's see. Click on pictures placeholder. The insert picture dialog box appear. Open the folder and select the picture to be inserted. Then click on insert button. The picture gets inserted on the slide in the place of the placeholder. Children, we can also insert online picture in our slide. We can insert pictures directly from the internet on the slide using online pictures placeholder. How? Step number 1, click on pictures placeholder. The insert picture dialog box appear if you are connected to the internet. Then type the name of the picture you want to search in the search box and press enter key. Then you see many pictures. Choose and click on insert button. The pictures gets inserted on the slide. Next is inserting word art. Word art is used to insert attractive text or heading in the slide. How? Click on insert tab on the ribbon, then click on word art. From the text group, a gallery appears with the different word art styles. Then select the style of your choice. A word art text box appear on the slide with your text. here written in it. Then the last topic of this chapter, inserting shapes. The shapes command is used to insert ready-made geometric shapes on a slide. There are 8 categories of shapes. We have already learned how to insert shapes in Word. The method is same in PowerPoint. How? Step number 1, click the Insert tab on the ribbon. Then click on Shapes in the illustration group. Then choose a shape from the gallery and click on it. And last, drag to draw the shapes on the slide. These are the shapes you can insert in your slide. And students, now the chapter is over. I hope you enjoyed this chapter, you understand this chapter. Thank you very much.